Hey guys, so over here we got a 7-drawer toolbox from Temu. This is my first time ordering for Temu. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but we're gonna open this up and see what we got going on here. I needed to find a toolbox that will fit under these tables. And the height of these tables are adjustable, but I didn't want them to be too high. So when I'm running a lathe, my hands aren't all the way up here. This is generally a nice height for me. And I just need something to store all this random stuff I have on the tables. The calipers, the micrometers, and all the tooling. So we're gonna see what this is about. Alright, this is the drawers. It comes with a set of keys. Over here, it comes with some protective film on the top. I believe it's also could be used as a tabletop. Got the instructions down here. And it's real simple. It's just to leave just the hold handles that go up on one of the sides, and you have two different ways. You have padded feet and you have rubber wheels that can go on the bottom. And all the drawers, they do come with liners. That's pretty neat. And I'll have the link at the bottom for this unit if you do like it. Drawers are not soft close, but they do feel nice. Down here. It is pretty thin sheet metal, but it's not terrible. And you also have a latch over here where you can latch on another drawer to this and essentially making it longer. They have a whole bundle set that you could buy with these. You have the handles. you have these feet that go for it, and they are adjustable. And then you also have the casters, where I'll probably use the casters just for the off chance I need to get it out of there. Just be nicer to have that. I believe with the casters on it, it's about 29 inches to the top. So I'm hoping that'll be just right for fitting under this. So we're gonna put the casters on this one. Let's see, so unfortunately, this is a little too high for there, so I'll have to raise this bench up, but it's perfect for over here. I think this is really good right here. I think that looks pretty neat right there. Almost looks like it's paint job's almost the same. Ideally, I would like it to be under this one, but for now, I think it'll go here. This protective film was a bit of a hassle to remove. I ended up having to use a plastic blade to get off the smaller portions. Considering this was my first time ordering from Temu, I didn't know what to expect. The quality is decent enough for a home hobby shop. The drawers work great with the weight of the tooling in them, and the casters move around well. The unit is 29 inches tall by 26 inches wide and about 15 inches deep. All 7 drawers are identical at 11.89 inches deep, 20.67 inches wide, and 3 inches tall. Most likely I'll be getting more of these toolboxes to go under the 3 workbenches I have. Hopefully it'll declutter my shop and keep me from storing everything on my workspaces. So here you can see it has like a stainless top. Came with 2 little blemishes, but nothing too crazy. It's a little scratch right here and a little scratch on the back. Overall, I'm happy with it. Fits perfectly over here. I couldn't ask for a better fit over here. And this is, it's not fully packed out, but it has the majority of what I wanted to put in a drawer in it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.